All right, hello everybody. Hey, so as a review, I kind of wanted to go through what my PowerPoint project was for my ecosystem. The ecosystem I chose was the rainforest. I gave a little bit of information about the rainforest to include rainforests are characterized by high and continuous rainfall, with annual rainfall in a case of tropical rainforest between 2.5 and 4.5 meters. So that's a lot. That's 98 to 177 inches. And definitions varying by region for temperate rainforests. The monsoon, through alternative known as the Intertropical Convergence Zone, plays a significant role in creating the climatic changes necessary for Earth's tropical rainforests, which are distinct from monsoonal areas of the seasonal tropical rainforest. Now, I did just copy and paste this from Google, but this is just some good information that I wanted to give about my ecosystem. Some of the cool things that I wanted to point out when we start talking about abiotic and biotic things and factors is right here where it says estimates vary that 40% to 75% of all biotic species are indigenous, which means they live in the rainforests. So that's a lot. That means anywhere between 40% to 75% of all living organisms on Earth come from the rainforest, which is pretty cool. And I don't know if you caught it, but we also got some of the abiotic factors when we started talking about how much rain. So this abiotic factor, such as rain and the climate in the area, actually plays a big part. All right, so my biotic and abiotic factors that I chose 5 of each. For my biotic factors, I have snakes, parrots, rats, monkeys, and trees. For my abiotic factors, I chose rain, sunshine, water, soil, and the weather. All right, my interactions. Biotic to biotic. A monkey eating fruit from a tree, like in the picture. That would be 2 biotic factors interacting. A snake eating a rat. Again, 2 biotic factors. Or a parrot living in a tree. 2 biotic factors. For my biotic to abiotic interactions, I have a snake swimming in a river, a monkey sunbathing to dry off, or a rat building a burrow in the soil. So a burrow is like a nest. My abiotic to abiotic is the sun drying the puddles, the water flooding the basin, which is like a low-lying area, or rain making a hot day humid. So those are my abiotic factors interacting with other abiotic factors. All right, my organizational levels. So this snake right here, because it's single and by itself, and it's only one species, a single snake in the tree is an example of an organism when we talk about ecological organization. The 2 baby monkeys in the tree, when there are more than one of a not single species, so they're both the same species, like these 2 monkeys in a specific tree, that is an example of a population. The 2 baby monkeys make up the population of monkeys in the tree. A community. Now, if you look here, this is a community. Why is it a community? Because of all the living organisms that are all together in this one specified location. So we have giraffes and zebras and the different plants and the elephant. These are all living organisms that you see, and that's what I'm counting as the community, just the living organisms, not the abiotic factors such as the water, but just the living organisms. All right, my ecosystem. This is an ecosystem. There's a mixture of biotic and abiotic factors, all in a single given area, such as the sunshine, water, temperature, rock formation, and weather are all abiotic factors. The trees, moss, plants, the humans in the background, and many other living organisms that we can't even see. And also some of the things that we can see that you don't think about, like the dried leaves down here, right? These dried leaves that have fallen and died, those are abiotic, those are still biotic factors because they come from another biotic factor. All right, and then here's my biosphere, the Earth. All right, this is a biosphere. It is made up of many different ecosystems and biomes, and it includes all the biotic and abiotic factors in all of them. And that's it. That's my whole presentation. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any feedback, make sure to let me know. So at this time, make sure that you study for your BWA, which will be later on this morning. All right, have a great day.